everybody. My name is Kim, and I'm the happiest cook. Today, before we swing into our cooking, I wanted to bring you a quick update on our brand new world tour of the Happiest Cook. Yay! Each week, we will be featuring different recipes unique to specific cities. Today, we're in New York City, making a delicious calzone with spinach, pepperoni, ricotta cheese. So, do you have a favorite recipe you'd like to see us cook? Maybe something from your hometown? Leave it in the comments below, and who knows, maybe we'll be visiting your city soon. Okay, and finally, a short channel update. We have been cooking on YouTube for about 4 months and have done 40 videos. Not bad, huh? Well, the data guy, he's over there, asked me to request you for help. We have had 9,000 views with 120 subscribers, which is about 1.3%, which according to YouTube is a new channel average. But what we'd like to do is to keep our channel going. We'd like to see about 2%. So would you please support us as we deliver fun and tasty recipes to you? Subscribe below and like us, please. Thanks. Okay, enough of that, wrap it up. We're getting to our cooking. So, when I think of New York, I think of big, yummy, chewy calzones. To me, it's better than pizza. I love having the melty, gooey cheese and the pepperoni on the inside of a delicious crust. Then to top it off, I love dipping. I'll dip anything into anything to give it extra boosted flavor. And I have a great spicy marinara sauce for dipping that I have. The recipe is going to be on my blog, so if you want to use my marinara sauce recipe, you're gonna have to go to my blog. All right, so have you got all your things ready? I have mine, and like I always say, let's get cooking. All right, so we have our filling all mixed. This is ricotta cheese and mozzarella. Earlier this morning, I made some spinach and cooked it and chopped it, and I have been draining it. It's very, very important that you push as much water out of your spinach as possible. So I chopped it, I used paper towels, I blotted it. It's pretty well dried. And we're gonna go ahead and add that to our filling and stir that all in. These, I have 2 cookie sheets like this lined with parchment paper. Now you can use a pizza stone if you want to do it on a pizza stone. If you want to do it on a regular cookie sheet without parchment paper, you can spray it with non-stick spray. Totally your call. So my dough has all risen, and I have divided it into 4 pieces. I'm going to go ahead and pull and stretch until I have about an 8 to 10 inches. If you have the ability to do your stuffing directly on your pan, that's the best, because then you don't have to move your calzone. If not, you can do it on a counter or however you want to do that. Just be very careful. You don't want to have holes or splits in your dough. Okay, I think that's about the size we want. Then we're going to put our filling The way you want this is around this edge right here, you want to have about 1 inch because you're going to fold this side over. You're going to push this down and seal it. So you need to have the dough to do that. Then we're going to take our pepperoni. We're going to put that on the top. Okay, then I have a little bowl of warm water, and I'm going to just put a little bit of water, not a lot. Then we're going to take our dough. We are going to carefully stretch it over until it fits. Then we're going to squish it. Then we're going to roll it under. Being very careful not to split it. You want to keep all the goodies inside. So you just kind of roll it, stretch it, pinch it, and just like, and there's one. And then we'll do the other 4 or the other 3, and I will let you see what they all look before I pop them in the oven. There you go. All right, these are going to go into a preheated oven at 420 degrees for about 30 minutes. I'm gonna probably set my timer for about 25 minutes. I'm gonna keep an eye on them. After they rest here for about 20 minutes, I'll be popping them in the oven. I'll put 2 little slits in the top of each one to let the steam escape. Don't forget to do that, or else your air bubble will be quite large and it will not be very pretty. So make sure you put your little slits before they go in the oven. Right now I'm just gonna cover them with a towel again and let them sit and rest before I pop them in the oven. So I will see you here back at the counter when they are all done. Oh, hi everybody, welcome back to the counter. Well, our calzones are out. Here we go. They turned out wonderful. And I have one on my plate. And we're gonna cut into this and see what we have. I have this little bowl of marinara spicy sauce that you can find on my blog if you want to make it, or just use something that you like right out of the bottle, heat it up. Just something to dip your calzone in. So here is what they look like. Right here. And I'm going to take a little bite of one just to see what it tastes like. Let's check it out. That's really good. Have you ever had a deep dish pizza? It's kind of like that, only, that ricotta cheese. This has been really fun doing baking calzone with you. this Sunday afternoon, and I hope you'll join us again next Sunday when we continue our trip around to the different cities, exploring different foods. And don't forget, you need to hit that subscribe button. That would be really appreciated. So, from me to you, let's get cooking and keep cooking. Bye.